Sarah, match the dominoes to the numerals. You have 11 numerals, 0 to 10. Alright, are you ready? Sarah, are you ready? Yes, alright. Get one. Alright, now count. Which one do you want to do first? That one? Oh, what is it?
0.
0. Okay. Where's 0? Match it to 0. Good. The opposite, anak. Ayan. Good job. Next, get another one. Okay, next, get another one. Right. Okay.
1.
How many?
1.
Okay, 1. Are you sure? Just 1. Alright, 1. Just 1. Okay, next. Next domino. Nana, please. Oh, careful that. Are you okay, my love? Are you okay? Okay, game. Oh, count now. Count the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, that's it. Next dot. Sarah, careful. Are you ready to count the dots now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. Are you 7? Okay, that's correct. 7. Next.
1, 2.
2? Okay. 2 dots. Where's 2, my love? Is that 2?
No.
Where's 2? Sarah-chan. Match it properly, Anna. Where's 2? Sarah, is that 2? Is that 2?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Count the dots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, is that 8?
Yeah.
Again. Count it again, anak.
1,
Slowly.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. And that's correct. Next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright. Nice, anak. Very good. Next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's 5. Good job. How many more? 3! 3 more dominoes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is that... Are they 4? Are they 5?
2, 3, 4.
Very good. 4. Oh, careful, my love, anak. Ayan. Good. Next.
1, 2, 3.
Good. 3. Next. Last one, anak. You're quick, ah. It only took you 4 minutes, 5 minutes to do this. Around 5 minutes.
4, 5,
6.
6.
Nice. Good job, my love. Very good.
Nana,
Nacha, look. Sarah finished it. She's done. She's done matching the dominoes to the numerals. Very good, my love. Okay, anak. Sige, I'll say the number. Get the dominoes, okay? Okay. Sarah, get 5. 5. Very good. Next. Please get 10. 10. Nice. Next, 2. 2. Get 2. Good. Next, 8. 8. Good. Next, get 9. 9. 0. Where's 0? Where's the 0? Domino. Yan. Next, 3. 3, my love. 3. 7. Next, 1. 6. 4. Yeah, you did it! Okay, that's okay, anak. Do you wanna get the numerals? Okay. Please get 5. 5. Next, 3. Okay, get a numeral and tell me what it is. Alright, what's that? Okay, next. 7. Alright.
9.
Alright. Alright. Very good. Oh, kiss mama. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Very good. I love you. Good job, anak.